Hi guys, my name is Brenda and I'm from the Pueblo of Jemez. I work at the Jemez Historic Site as a site ranger. Today I'll be showing you how to make tea with the native plant that you find locally here that is called Cota. Now I'm going to be cleaning the roots on the plant by snapping them off. Take the plant and fold it like so. Now you want to get a string to tie it all together. This is how it should look when it's all tied together. You can let it dry or you can boil it right away. Put water in a saucepan and let it boil. Now that the water is boiling, I am ready to put in the plant. As the plant soaks in, the water will start changing its color. The longer you have the plant boiling, the stronger the tea will be. After it's been boiling for 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out and put it aside. I am now filtering the tea with the strainer and a coffee filter. You can either drink it hot or cold. When you drink it hot, this plant can treat stomachache, toothache, fever, and it is good for your immune system. You can also add sugar or honey to make it sweet. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.